Hello everyone, today I, Megha Mohan, Faculty of Management Department from Technical Institute of Advanced Studies is going to deliver a lecture on the topic Procedure for obtaining registration certificate under GST. The following documents are required for obtaining service tax registration in India. Self-attested copy of PAN card of the proprietor or the company or LLP or any legal entity. Photograph and proof of identity of the person filing the service tax registration application. PAN card, passport, voter identity card, Aadhaar card, driving license and any other photo identity card issued by central government, state government or public sector undertaking. Address proof for the address submitted along with the proof of ownership, lease or rent agreement, allotment letter from the government. No objection certificate from the legal owner, bank account details, memorandum of associations for the company, articles of associations for the company and list of directors for the company. Authorization by the board of directors, partners, proprietors for the person filing the application, business transaction numbers obtained from other government department or agencies such as customer registration number, BIN number, import-export code, IEC number, state sales tax number, that is VAT, central sales tax number, company index number which has been issued prior to filing of the service tax registration application. Now we'll talk about procedure for applying for service tax registration. To obtain this registration, the applicant can file the form ST1 application for service tax through the automation of Excise and Service Tax ACES website. The document listed above along with the requisite information must be submitted online. On filing the ST1 service tax registration application online, the applicant must submit a self-attested copy of the above documents by the registered post, speed post to the concerned division within 7 days for the purposes of verification. If the documents and information submitted are acceptable, service tax registration would be granted within 2 days of filing ST1 online based on trust. The service tax applicant can use the electronic service tax registration certificate as the proof of registration and begin electronic payment of taxes. In case there is a need for verification of the premises or documents submitted, the same can be requested by the authorized officer. Further, under the following circumstances, the registration certificate may be revoked by the department. The premises are found to be non-existent or not in possession of the assessee, and no documents are received within 15 days of filing the registration application, and the documents are found to be incomplete, incorrect in any respect. So I hope you understand today's topic of registration under GST. Thank you very much.